Whether you need an NTEP certified retail scale to weigh deli meat at a grocery store or bananas at the local gas station, Rice Lake Weighing Systems has the retail scales you need without breaking the bank. Engineered for precision and consistency, the Ishida Astra II price computing scale with printer combines unmatched performance with an ergonomic design that enhances the customer's experience. Perfect for supermarkets, bakeries, C-stores, delis, and more, the Astra II incorporates bright, easy-to-read displays with user-friendly keyboard design for easy user operation. The Astra II produces eye-catching, point-of-purchase labels up to 2.5 inches wide and 6.9 inches long, all at an incredibly fast 3.9 inches per second. Rice Lake offers the ultimate choices for simple price computing applications such as supermarkets, bakeries, delis, and more.